Hello, everyone. Today is Dhanvantri Jayanti, and it's also considered to be World Ayurveda Day. Lord Dhanvantri is the one who gave us Ayurveda, and we want to start with an invocation to Lord Dhanvantri. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Dhanvantarye Amrita Kalasahastaya Sarvamaya Vinashanaya Trailokyanadhaya Sri Mahavishnave Namaha. So first of all, before we get started on what Ayurveda is and how it is relevant today, we wanted to give a little bit of an introduction about ourselves and how we have landed up with Ayurveda, or our journey into Ayurveda, and how we have used it in our own practice as a dietitian.
Hello, I'm Pushpa Soundarajan. I'm a registered dietitian, nutritionist, and an Ayurvedic practitioner, and also a certified yoga teacher. And I just wanted to give a little introduction about Ayurveda and also my own journey into Ayurveda. So first of all, Ayurveda, today being World Ayurveda Day, it's very important to know what is the meaning of Ayurveda. So Ayur means life, and Veda or longevity, and Veda means science or knowledge. So it is the science of life or the knowledge of life. Now this comes from India. It originates as a medical system from India. It's very systematically organized, and it comes from our Vedas, or the scriptures. Again, it was compiled by different acharyas in the ancient times, and again, it is relevant even today. So let me talk about myself. I've been in private practice for the last 5 years, and I've been a dietitian for over 30 years. Now, in the 30 years of being a dietitian, I have worked in several settings like outpatient, inpatient, hospitals, as well as dialysis unit and things like that. And I just started my private practice about 5 years ago. And about 7 or 8 years ago, I fell into Ayurveda. I should say I fell into Ayurveda because I was not even thinking about it in the past. But again, after having studied so much in the last so many years, it has been a wonderful journey to get to where we are today. I've been using a lot of those principles of Ayurveda in my own practice as a dietitian, and whatever I could not accomplish as a dietitian in the past, which was, modern medicine is based on studies, which is wonderful, but at the same time, we know as dietitians, certain things work on some people, and the same thing may not work on another person. So again, that is the beauty of Ayurveda. It is a very individualized, personalized application of diet and lifestyle to every individual based on their body type. So again, this Ayurveda is relevant even today because it is based on certain principles that does not change, especially nature. So the main principle is that everything in the universe is made of 5 great elements. Sarve Dravyani Panchabhautikani. So not only substances, but also the human body and everything that we interact with is made of the 5 elements, which is space or ether, air, fire, water, and earth. Now again, the combination of these elements gives us different body types. So if you're dominant in certain elements, then you're considered to be a certain body type. So there are 3 body types, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, based on that. Then again, there's a lot of details about this that we share in our course. But again, I've also done YouTube channels, YouTube videos about this kind of stuff. If you're interested, you can definitely go learn. Now again, the 2 other important concepts are Agni and Ama. Agni means the digestive fire or the metabolic fire in the body. So whatever we eat has to be digested properly for it to and assimilated into the body as nutrition. Otherwise, we're not going to feel very healthy or grounded. And then the Ama is the result of not digesting our food properly, which is kind of a toxin, sort of like a plaque that you can think of. Now again, this is not just in the physical level, but also the mental level. So we also form mental toxins, which when we are not able to digest. So this Agni is responsible not just for digesting our food, but also our thoughts, emotions, and all of those things. So that is why this Ayurveda is relevant even today. Now, today we suffer from a lot of chronic illnesses, and a lot of these are lifestyle diseases because of our diet and lifestyle, which we don't take care of very well. So Ayurveda, 80% of Ayurveda is about diet and lifestyle. So it gives us specific things for diet, what kind of foods to choose based on the 6 days for each body type and each person, each individual, and also gives you lifestyle things that you can adapt, not just with activity, but also with stress and sleep and those kinds of things. So, and I have seen this in my own practice as a dietitian, integrating some of these principles. It has helped some of my patients so much, not just to get them better with their illness, but also give them that extra energy and interest in life and zest for life. And this is something everybody wants. And that is what I wanted to. So when I've given several talks about the subject to dietitians, to the general public, etc. But I also, combined with Gauri, and we created a couple of books because we wanted to share this knowledge with the greater public. And this is why we are launching a course today, and Gauri will give her a little bit introduction about herself now.
Hi, so I wanted to wish all of you a very happy Dhanvantri Day and a very happy World Ayurveda Day as well. I am Gauri Janarkar. I'm the founder of Ayur Nutrition, an integrative and holistic wellness practice here in Dallas-Fort Worth, where we integrate the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda with modern nutrition. So my journey with Ayurveda began with, I remember that I was helping my mom in the kitchen, cutting some vegetables and things. So and I had a small cut. And then my mom said, why don't you take a pinch of turmeric and dab it on, wherever it's bleeding. And after a couple of days, I was really astonished to find that, that wound had completely healed. So I had asked my mom, what exactly, how does turmeric actually help with the healing and stuff? And then my mom had actually introduced the concept about Ayurveda at that point of time and told me more about turmeric and how it actually helps. And that intrigued my curiosity a lot. And I went further and got formally trained into the Ayurvedic medicine. I was trained as a classically trained Vaidya. And after coming here, I also became a registered licensed dietitian. So in my practice, we integrate Ayurveda with modern nutrition and the Ayurvedic therapies. And what I have found with Ayurveda is that Ayurveda is a very personalized health system. It looks at a whole person approach. So let's talk about Ayurveda and the stress management part. So we know that what affects the body affects the mind, and what affects the mind affects the body. We also know that stress has a profound effect on our gut as well. So with Ayurveda, we find that specifically all the different Ayurvedic therapies, such as, the Abhyanga, the Svedan, the Shirodhara and things. When we use that in our practice as well, we see a lot of benefits with the stress management aspect, especially for, for people, with maybe it's weight management or it's diabetes or any of the, lifestyle disorders as well. We find that the stress management with Ayurveda has a very good effect, along with, when you integrate that Ayurvedic nutrition, Ayurvedic diet, because it definitely helps with bringing that balance back. It helps with, better gut health. It helps with the digestion, better sleep as well. So again, I would encourage all of you to look into Ayurveda, Ayurvedic nutrition, and see how you can integrate that Ayurvedic nutrition as a part of, maybe your practice and things. So stay tuned for some of the further updates we have regarding our course launch today as well.
So to celebrate today, the Ayurveda Day and also Dhanvantri Jayanti, we wanted to launch our special e-course to offer our gratitude to all our teachers who have taught us the beautiful subject, as well as to Lord Dhanvantri itself, who's given us the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda. So we just finished our live course to dietitians and nutritionists and healthcare professionals in September, and it was such a great success. A lot of the students loved the course, and we also shared a couple of testimonials yesterday, showing how they really appreciated that. So we figured that it's very important this knowledge gets out to more people. So we decided to do the e-course. And so Gauri is going to talk about that now.
Thank you so much, Pushpa. And just wanted to share that this course that we have launched earlier, which was a live course, it was really wonderful. A lot of dietitians and healthcare professionals found a lot of wisdom. It really helped them to deepen their knowledge of Ayurveda. And that's why we decided to go ahead and, open this course up as a self-paced course. So again, if you are a dietitian, if you are a healthcare professional, make sure to look at our course. We are going to be including the link in our post. Just look at what are some of the things that we have offered, our testimonials from the students, and the different modules that we are offering. So come and be part of this wonderful wellness experience.
Thank you for joining us, and hope you will join us in this journey into Ayurveda and learn more and more, and also use it to help your clients. So thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
So thank you again for joining us, and hope that you will check out the link that we have posted in the post, and check out this course and see how this course will help you to deepen your knowledge of Ayurvedic nutrition further and help you in your practice. Have a wonderful day.